Hey everybody, and welcome to another Learn to Digitize video. My name is Sue and I'm a Hatch educator, and we're still talking about smashing. Hatch smash, I have two videos, part 1 and part 2. This one is going to be part 3 and we're going to change it up a little bit. So let's start. Let's do something really cool. You know, with the Hatch smash that you can use it on lettering and you can use it on any objects. So for this one, we're just going to do lettering. And what we're going to do is DME for Digitizing Made Easy. Now, I would like to change that to something a little fancy. How about this Chancery font? That looks cool. And I'm going to make it a little bigger. It might split, but I want to make it big enough that everybody can see what I'm doing. We can also zoom in a little bit, maybe right about there. So when you're going to do the Hatch smash, and we're going to go through it one more time, and then we're going to change it up completely. We don't need to change the lettering at all. We're just going to leave everything the way it is. And we are going to go to Edit. Now, if you are going to do the smash, and your create outlines is grayed out like that, all you have to do is select what you're doing. And then it shows up. It turns nice red and green. It's pretty. And we're going to go in there. And I like to select 3 or 4 maybe offsets. I've been leaving this number just at its default. It seems to work fine. I am going to change the color, so we want it a bit darker so you can see. And of course, we leave it on this one because we want them to merge. And I'm going to click OK. And if we wait a second, our offsets come up. So I like to do a couple of them so I can see what's going on. Now, the first offset is doing each letter separately. And that is okay. It's just not what I want for this one. So all these little spaces I'm going to delete because we want it to cover up, smash down, cover up whatever we're working on just lightly. So I think this one is too far away. I don't want it quite that big, and same with that one. So we are left with, I believe it's number 2, and I like how it's come in here, and it's a nice shape and I like it. So let's smash it, why don't we? Let's go to fill, and we fill that full. And then what we're going to do here is change the spacing. So we're going to put it, anywhere between 150, I think we said 150 works, or 2 millimeters. Whoops, I did that wrong. 1.5. There we go. Much better. Whoops, you can always fix it. We want to take off the underlay. The last step in smashing anything is that you want to move it so it stitches out first. The idea of the Hatch smash is that these purple stitches are going to hold down the towel fibers or fake fur or anything like that. And it works so well through the magic of editing. I'm going to put up a cool picture that I did of the comparison of 2 lines of text. Now, the text is exactly the same on this. The first one is without smashing. The second one is with smashing. The lettering is exactly the same. I cloned it, which is right click and move it down and let go. So it's exactly the same. There's no topper or WSS on it, but you can see what a big difference it is. So let's take our Hatch smash and let's twist it a little bit more. So you could do it like this, but why not? Let's do something else. Let's do a motif to smash down the stitches. Why not? Look at that. So depending on what you're doing, that's going to add another effect to the Hatch smash. And I think that's great. I think it's absolutely great. Now we can pick different let's select it. We can pick different motifs depending on what you're stitching on. I mean, you might want to do circles. That's not going to do a whole lot, but it would look cute. That one would look cute, and I think if you were doing it on a towel, you could get away with that. Now, that one has a lot of spaces, so I'm thinking the fibers are going to come up on that, and we don't really want that. So you can play around, and you can do the Hatch smash with awesome motif stitches and really kick your embroidery up another notch and make everything look fantastic. So that is how you smash with a twist here inside Hatch embroidery software. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.